The time now is 7:47 on Radio Christian Voice, and in the studio we're joined by Twumble from Cavmont Bank. Good morning. I haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of weeks, I think.
Yeah, 3 weeks. I've been counting.
Oh, yeah. 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yes, it has been a while. All right. At this point, we are getting into conversation around mortgages and, what are we talking about? How are you doing, first of all? How's been the last 3 weeks?
It's been good. It's been very fine. And when we got into the month of March, I think I was so excited because it's my month as a woman. So I think it's
Women's
given me
Day.
some energy, some oomph to keep going.
Okay. All right. How about we get right into today's conversation and discussion?
Great. So today we're talking about the first-time home buyers. Okay?
You're right.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what we're talking about today.
Uh-huh.
So the first-time home buyers, we're going to give some tips to others that want to buy, being the first time ever owning a home.
Right.
Cholo, do you own a home?
No,
Are you in the process?
I'm going to inherit a home. That sounds so wrong. Oh my gosh.
Are you the only child?
Yes, I'm an only child.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Then it explains it.
So at least I'm set. Now I have no battles with anyone over inheritance.
That's why I asked whether you're the only child. Because if you're 4 or 5.
I know.
Okay,
Yeah, so I will inherit a house, but I've not yet bought my own.
Would you love to buy a house?
I would love to build my own house.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so how about you visit Cavmont Bank?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so you can
get a loan then.
Yes, get a loan. Unsecured loan. We have unsecured.
Yes.
Unsecured meaning collateral free.
Uh-huh.
So you can even purchase a land. Okay, and then you start from there before you get a mortgage for the home.
Yeah.
Doesn't that sound
Yeah.
good?
Like I just have the light bulb moment, so which is good. So
Great.
yeah.
Okay, so we move on.
Uh-huh.
So buying your first home can be exciting and overwhelming. Okay? At the same time. So, which is why we have a variety of mortgages, a variety of loans at Cavmont Bank that we always make sure that our customers out there do not suffer.
Okay.
So, Cavmont Bank, we're here for you, and we always make sure that your lives are at a better,
Okay.
We're making it
secured
better
pretty much, I guess. Okay.
Yeah, so what we need to do is now, for the first-time home buyers, you may qualify for special mortgages. Remember, at Cavmont Bank, we have all these mortgages that we're running. We currently have about 2. One, the home loan that fits, which are mortgages, specific mortgages. And then the other one is This Could Be You. I'm sure you've been seeing all these campaigns that we've been rolling out on Facebook, on our TV, Diamond TV, on radio. We've been talking about This Could Be You, and which are unsecured loans. So the unsecured loans, we have the minimum of about 10,000 kwacha that you can borrow, depending on your financial capability, all the way up to 150,000 kwacha. Okay, so our customers cried, and we listened. We're listening bank.
Listening bank.
We're
Right.
listening bank.
Okay.
So whenever you talk, we listen. So we are always there to make your life better.
Okay.
Okay, so the unsecured loan, what you can do, there's a whole lot that you can do with 150,000 kwacha.
Okay.
Okay, so you can purchase land. I remember you were just talking about you'd want to build your own home. So building your own home means you have to first purchase the land.
Yeah.
And I think in 150,000 you can purchase some good land.
Yes.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, you can. There are even plots for 40,000, 50,000, up to 150. So in prime areas, good areas. So I think 150,000 kwacha, and that is payable within 60 months.
Okay.
60 months is like 5 years from now. So at least you have and I know 5 years you'll still be working. It's not like you're hitting 65 anytime soon.
No.
So
I'm
even
actually
most of
very
our
far from
customers,
it.
even most of our customers out there, I think 5 years is still a very long time for you to still be in employment and obviously not reach the age of 65.
Unless you are already 65.
Yeah, unless you're already 65, which to some of them I highly doubt.
Right.
So so I think you can still purchase and you can be able to clear that loan up to within the 5 years that you're still in employment. Okay, because unsecured loans really mean that you have to be first in employment because that is a salaried loan. Okay.
Yeah.
So by a salaried loan, we mean you have to be with us. You have to be banking with us at least for the minimum of 3 months.
Okay.
Then you qualify for that unsecured loan. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what it means. So you can, as long as you are existing for the past 3 months, even more. And I know obviously our customers, most of them are existing. Yeah, we have, of course, every day we're receiving new customers, which is great and which is a plus to our bank, and we love it. Our customer base keeps increasing, so which is a very good thing. Our revenue is going up, so which is good to us. So our existing customers, obviously, you have 3 months and beyond, and you are eligible to get that unsecured loan, payable within 60 months, which is like 5 years, and depending on your financial capability, we'll be able to come to us. We'll be able to advise you on what you need to get and how much you need to get.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Anything else?
Okay, so now we're talking of the home loan that fits mortgage. Okay, remember we're talking of the mortgages and as well as the personal unsecured loans. So for the mortgages, for those people that want to buy a house, okay, you can come to Cavmont Bank and we'll be able to give you a home mortgage that fits your budget, that fits your pocket. Okay, we're not saying that we'll be able to tell you to say, look, this is what you qualify for and this is what you need to get. It's all up to you. So we'll look at your financial history.
But I'm guessing there should be some advice attached to it, isn't it?
Definitely.
Okay.
Our credit department.
So it's not really like, oh, just do what you want.
No. We are always there to make sure that you do the right thing.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll always make sure that we give you the financial advice that you need. Yeah, we don't want you to fall into a ditch. So as a bank, a caring bank that is. Yeah, we're going to give you some financial advice that will make sure that you get the mortgage that fits your budget.
Right.
So what you can do is you need to come to us, talk to us. Please, we always want to hear from you. Come to Cavmont Bank, talk to us. Our credit department, our sales advisors will be able to help you and always make sure that your budget is within the loan that you want to get. Okay. Yeah. So come to us and make sure that you talk to us. Remember what we're saying now is a mortgage that fits your budget. Okay. So for instance, if you come to us and tell us that, look, this is my financial situation. This is how much I get per month, and this is the collateral, the type of assets that I want, and this is how much I want. So now we'll be able to calculate depending on your salary and whatever you make in the month, because we're not going to restrict you to the salary, because what if you're doing a side hustle and there's more money coming in your account?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you consider side hustles as well?
Yeah, we consider we just want to
as
look
long
at
as it's consistent.
Right. And yes, as long as we see your account, how much you have in the account. Okay, so then we'll be able, whatever comes in the month, so at least we know that within the month we have so much that you need, that is always coming in your account. So at least we know that depending on your financial capability and your financial situation, we'll be able to advise you to say, look, this is how much you're eligible to get for a mortgage.
Okay.
Yeah, so for the mortgage, it's slightly different from the unsecured loan, because remember the unsecured loan is up to 150,000 kwacha, but the mortgage you can get even beyond. You can get 450 depending on the project that you are doing at that particular moment. Okay, so sometimes you find that you're building, let's say, some apartments somewhere, and that requires a lot of money. It's not just up to 150,000 kwacha. You will need some colossal sums of money that you need to complete the apartments that are building. It may be a mall or any other big project that you're running. So that means you need to get a mortgage, and unlike the unsecured loan that we have a max on it. Okay. Yeah, so a mortgage you can get as far as depending on whatever amount that is in your salary. So you'll be able to get as huge as, I don't know, it's all up to the customer and whatever they want.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So a 20-year fixed rate mortgage is generally the safest and best bet.
Oh, okay.
So you can go up to 20 years. Remember, the unsecured is 5 years max. Okay, but the mortgage, you can go up to 20 years because you're still paying. Remember, this is a huge amount of money that you've collected, and we don't expect you to pay within
a short
period of time. So we really give you some extra time to always make sure that you remit something at the end of the month within the 20 years that Yeah, that you need to get, as long as you're not beyond 65. I'm
Okay.
emphasizing on that because remember, in Zambia we have the 65 age as the retirement age. So we know that, if you retire, where are you going to get the money to pay back?
Okay.
And we do not want, obviously, those are senior citizens, so we do not want to disturb them, and we
And
don't
to put
want
them
to
under
disturb
pressure.
their financial
Yeah.
freedom.
Because I can imagine, at that point in life, you want to be a little less stressed, you want to be a little more relaxed and
Yeah.
chilled and enjoying the work of your youth.
Exactly. Yeah. So
And not so much adding stress on them at that age, isn't
exactly.
it? Okay.
So we do not want to disturb our senior citizens. We love them so much, and we do not want to put them in any financial. So we also look at the age. So if you know that you're going to, by the time you're paying your mortgage, if it will be beyond 20 years, definitely now we have to look at the age group that you need to get the loan.
Okay.
And then we're also going to calculate by the time you're finishing up with the mortgage, what age will you be, and will you still be in employment?
Okay. So
Yes.
for our radio audience, how about you let us know how we can get in touch with Cavmont Bank?
Okay, so already before we go any further, we have some people watching us on Facebook. Who's that? Ingrid. Hi, Ingrid. How are you? I'm glad you're watching. Yeah, so you can catch us on Facebook. We can catch us on Twitter. We have a YouTube page. Please subscribe. Keep subscribing on our YouTube page. We're giving a lot of the smart money shows. The great topics there that we share on our YouTube. Please do subscribe. We have our Diamond TV on Tuesday at 19:30. Every Tuesday, please make that date and make sure that you get the financial tips that we're always sharing. Also on Radio Christian Voice, Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, we have our call center, which is Eva online. Yeah, please call us 3333 on MTN and Airtel, and also 08100833333 on Zamtel.
All right.
Also, visit all our branches countrywide. Please make sure, we always want to hear from you. Our customer service people are so friendly, and they always want to hear from you. So when you come to us, we're more than happy to help you and give you that service that you would want.
All right.
To our Diamond TV viewers, thank you so much for always being with us. Please keep watching, and please make sure you get the financial advice that we're always giving you. Tune in every Tuesday at 19:30 only on Diamond TV. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.